Unlock the true power of Zapier by mastering dynamic fields and data mapping to build smarter, more adaptable automations. Today, we're diving deep into how to use dynamic fields in Zapier. This isn't just about moving data. It's about making your Zaps intelligent enough to handle changes on the fly, truly transforming your workflow efficiency. Let's start at the beginning. Your trigger. Imagine you're receiving new contacts from a form. A static Zap would expect specific fields every time. But what if your form sometimes includes an optional notes field, and other times it's empty? This is where dynamic fields shine when you configure your next action. Instead of picking a predefined field that might not always exist, you'll see options for your trigger's output. These are your dynamic fields. They represent the actual data that came in during a specific trigger event here. You can see all the available fields from our form submission, including notes. Now, for data mapping, this is the art of telling Zapier where to put the incoming information for essential fields like email or name. You'll map them directly from your trigger's dynamic output, but for optional fields like notes. By mapping the notes dynamic field, even if it's empty in a particular submission, Zapier knows not to break it. Will simply leave that field blank in the action, keeping your Zap from failing. This principle extends beyond simple text. You can map dynamic dates, numbers, or even complex data structures, configure dropdowns, text areas, or even custom fields in your action steps, and match them with the relevant dynamic data from your trigger. Want to get even more advanced? Combine dynamic fields with Zapier's formatter steps or filters. For example, you could dynamically format a date before sending it, or use a dynamic value to decide whether to proceed with an action. By embracing dynamic fields and mindful data mapping, you're building Zaps that are not just automated, but truly adaptive. They'll handle the unexpected, streamline complex processes, and give you unparalleled control over your workflow. Start experimenting with dynamic data today and watch your automations come alive.